praying right now. You might not scream loud right now, but some woman, some man, some boy, some girl in this place, right now you're in a helpless state. Somebody's looking at you and they're telling your story, but see, they don't know you to the point where enough is enough. Is enough. Mark saw her helpless. So I went on over to Luke. And Luke said, I saw what was going on too. I saw her in the midst of a struggle too. I saw her when she was going through too. But see, Mark told her, but Mark can tell it like I can tell it. So if you give me my chance in Luke 8 and 43, if you can flip there and jot it down, write it on your notepad, write it on your iPad, put it in that phone and stop texting. Luke.
Somebody said, Pastor, I don't understand now. But Brother Mark, you ought to listen to this. Even my sickness, the devil said, I'll never be healed, but I will recover. I'm going back to get my healing. I'm going back to get my deliverance. Somebody say, I won't come out the crack house, but I will recover. I'm going back to get my deliverance. And when I get there, after a while, I'll begin to put down the drugs, the alcohol. I will recover. Everybody can say today that I will recover. In other words, I'm getting ready to bounce back. I'm getting ready to come back.
God, in the midst of childbirth, if you don't push, you'll never know the plans that God has for you. If you don't push, you'll never know the thoughts that He thinks towards you. If you don't push, you'll never know His desires for your life. If you don't push in this next season, you'll never know where God is taking you.
God, when was the last time you sought God about what He wanted out of your life? Yeah. I know, my God, you want the car, you want the house, my God, you want your body healed, you want, my God, things to be made way out of no way. But when was the last time did you ask God, in the midst of my struggle, in the midst of my being in the negative, in the midst of my God, my health failing me, in the midst, my God, of people acting crazy in my marriage, in the midst of my baby daddy acting stupid, in the midst of where I am, God, what are you requiring of me in this time? Why is it that you have suffered need for me to go through something?